where I came to the
But
mountain.
the boys taking a little break. They taking a little break out here, baby. They chilling. They chilling. They said they, gonna check out the. They did the waterfall thing, but they said they're gonna check out the mountainside. They said it's just something you just don't see every day.
It's serene, my brother. Serene.
It's serene. And what it does is it puts you in a mindset so you can reset and restart. Cause we got some resetting and restarting to do around here, man. We lost our way, man, of adventure and exploring. And
How far you think you go?
Long way, man.
Man, as far as you can see, ain't it?
We're gonna explore and adventure beyond our fears, baby. Like folks came to. Now we're going up. Now we're gonna get some of that. We're getting some of that right there.